kind of surprised because I wasn't quite sure, but it's actually pretty fun.
I was kind of excited to just like be able to raise live animals and kind of have almost like a class pet.
I was really excited because at my old school we never had any class pets, and like we didn't get to raise anything because it was like a Waldorf school and we didn't do very much.
Probably when we had the nitrite, a lot of our fish was dying and we had to take out more than half of our water in our tank to help it more. And we had to test water pretty much every day.
Probably when all of the nitrites got extremely high and a lot of them died.
The most challenging part was probably when we noticed that they had a nitrite spike. It was really like scary because we lost like 20 of them. We lost a lot, and that was challenging because it was also sad.
Well, I found out like there are nitrites that can kill a lot of the animals in habitat, and we do have to test those things before releasing them into the wild.
It's kind of changed it just because now I kind of know a lot more about like the fish and kind of how they interact with each other.
It has changed the way because like I feel like my friends didn't really understand me, and now like they understand me better because they understand why I love nature so much.
We learned a lot about water quality and the importance of protecting our local waterways, and then just the raising of the trout tested them how to test water quality to make sure that their habitat was safe. We did some pond studies up at the ranch to make sure that they knew, like putting them into the creek, that the water was going to be safe. And then ultimately just that conservation of providing the natural waterways with more trout. They got really good at changing the water in the tank, so we changed the water every couple days just to make sure that it was clean for them. And then they got good at testing water quality, so we had to test the pH of the water, ammonia, and then testing for nitrites and nitrates. So they learned how to do that. And then they worked on some learning experiences, which they worked with groups and partners, so of course that's always great communication and collaboration with their classmates.